Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIVS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida. Today I am taking biology class for the student of class 9 and our today's lecture number 7. Our today's class is chapter 2 CQ number 1. In our previous class we discussed chapter 2 very clearly, and this chapter is the cell organelles, tissue and different kind of organs. Now we will discuss CQ number 1 from this chapter. Let's start our class. This question is from your book. So let's we read the question. Here a stem is given, and in this picture you see one lysosome and one chloroplast. Now question A, what is plasmalemma? Number B, what are plastid called color forming organs? And number 3, why is the organelle marked with N important for the living world? Explain. And number D, what type of problem will appear in living bodies if the part marked M is absent? Analyze it. Number A answer, what is plasmalemma? Answer, the double-layered membrane around the protoplasm of a cell is called plasma membrane or plasmalemma. It is composed of lipid and protein. So, what is plasmalemma? Plasmalemma is a double-layered membrane around the protoplasm of a cell is called plasmalemma or cell membrane, and it is composed of lipid and protein. Now, question number B. Why are plastids called color forming organs? B answer, plastids are the unique characteristic of a plant cell. Among the three types of plastid, the chloroplast of is of green color, found in leaves, young stems, etc. It gives them green appearance. Chromoplast can be yellow, blue and red, found in leaves, colorful flowers and roots of the carrots. That is why plastids are called colorful organ, color forming organs. Number C, the organ marked with N in the figure is chloroplast. Here the question is, why the organelle marked with N important for the living world? Explain. Here you see this N marked organs is a chloroplast. So answer, the organ marked with N in the figure is chloroplast. A chloroplast is mainly a plastid which is an important organelle of a plant cell. Plastids are the reason behind the colorful appearance of a plant. Generally, green plastids are called chloroplast. They are found in the cells of leaves, young stems and other green parts of a plant. The green parts of a plastid capture solar energy and convert it to chemical energy. This captured solar energy helps produce simple carbohydrate from water and carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, a plant produces food on which all organisms depend. Again, oxygen is given off in air as byproduct and carbon dioxide is taken in, which help to maintain the environmental balance. Thus, chloroplast is very important for living world. Now, question number D, and here the question, what type of problem will appear in living bodies if the part marked M is absent? Analyze it. Here it is M marked organelles. Now we discuss the question. The organ marked with M in the figure is centriole. This organelle stays closer to the nucleus of animal cell. It is an essential element of animal cell. It plays a vital role in the growth of human body. Centriole produces ester ray in the time of animal cell division, thus they play a significant role in contracting spindle apparatus. If the centriole did not produce ester, the cell division in animal would not happen. Then the growth and repair of animal body would get hindered and reproduction would be disturbed. and gradually the organism would need extinction. This is why we can say that without centriole, the natural activities of animal body cannot run. That's why centriole is an important organelle of animal and plant body. My dear students, in today's class we discuss creative question number 1, and your homework for the next week is homework number 5, CQ1 is D part, D number question answer. I hope you understand our today's class and you will do your homework properly. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.